Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding Amba Fort. 1. An UNESCO World Heritage Site, the fort is renowned for its intricate Rajput architecture and overlooks Mota Lake. 2. Construction of the fort was primarily initiated by Raja Man Singh I in the 16th century. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct. Amba Fort is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site as part of Hill Forts of Rajasthan. Its architecture beautifully showcases Rajput style, and it is prominently situated overlooking the scenic Mota Lake. Statement 2 is correct. Raja Man Singh I started the construction of the fort in the end of the 16th century. Perched atop a rugged hill overlooking the bustling city of Jaipur stands the magnificent Amba Fort, popularly called Amer Fort. Built from a harmonious blend of pale yellow and pink sandstone. Consider the following statements regarding Attorney General of India. 1. The Attorney General is appointed by the President of India under Article 76 of the Constitution and must be qualified to be a Supreme Court judge. 2. The Attorney General holds office for a fixed term of 5 years and cannot participate in parliamentary proceedings. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. The Attorney General is appointed by the President under Article 76 and must meet the eligibility criteria of a Supreme Court judge. Statement 2 is incorrect. The Attorney General does not have a fixed term and holds the office at the President's pleasure. AG has the right to participate in parliamentary proceedings but cannot vote in Parliament. The Attorney General shall hold office during the pleasure of the President and receive such remuneration as the President may determine.